Hey everyone, welcome back to the Adventure Wratts. Just another quick little adventure we're having this weekend. We have decided to come away for the weekend, so the Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and we've decided to come up to Thunderbird Park at Mount Tamborine in Queensland. It's a pretty good park. You're in a rainforest pretty much on the side of the mountain, which is really cool. It does have a lot of activities to do, which we're taking the kids around, so if I can get a chance to at least get photos, I'll post the photos on this video as well, but if I can get some footage I'll do that also. We've got one bloke getting ready. I'm going to go meet him in a second, but they're down at what they call the Digit, where the kids can book in and have a 1 hour or 2 hour ride with an instructor on a real life excavator. I think it's only one of them little mini ones, but my young fella's keen to do that, so he's down there waiting for that. I'm going to meet him. Then there's also a treetops climb. They've got mini golf, they've got laser tag, they've got fresh running creek runs right through the center of the park, so you can go swimming down there. They've got another spot called a rock pool, which is just through a little rainforest walk for about 200 meters or so. I might go for a walk up through that trail later and show you at the end. But yeah, plenty to do here. A lot of good stuff for kids. They have a restaurant we went and had dinner at last night. It was really good. Prices are a bit higher than what I was expecting, but it's not too bad, really. Yeah, I was expecting a little bit cheaper, but you know, it is what it is. And I still think it's pretty well worth its money. But if you're up this way around Mount Tamborine and you haven't stopped in, by all means stop in, have a look and check it out. It's not a bad stay. Our own campsite, which I'm sitting in now, has its own little ensuite just off to the side over that way, out my campsite, and I'll show you the facilities in there when I go and have a shower later. But it's not bad, it's pretty spiffy. So we'll have a look around the park today and we'll show you what's going on. So here we have the young man driving his digger. That scoop should be a control to scoop that in, buddy. Yeah. Look on your card, mate. Tells you which direction does what. Pretty cool, hey? Pull 80. See your red lever? Pull that towards me. See how it curls your bucket in? So then you can lift your boom. There you go. Now you can move it out and then curl your digger back out. It'll drop there you go. Move it out a bit if you want. That's it. And then uncurl your bucket. There you go. Woohoo! How cool is that? Keep going, bud. Curl your bucket. There you go. Good job, buddy. That's awesome. You made a big dirt tower. That's really cool, mate. from the dig it one, which is the first video, and now we're over to the demolition side where he gets to pulverize some stuff with a makeshift wrecking ball. Demolition fun. Mini wrecking ball. Little man in the pilot seat. It's a really cool thing for the kids to do. If you're ever up this way with your kids, come check it out. I reckon they'll love it, especially if you got boys. But you know, your girls might like it too. But I know all the kids are enjoying it. Got the claw ones just down there. RC remote control ones. Really cool idea. Wrecked the pile. He loved it. So here we are now over at the claw grab one. Another little excavator but with a claw attachment. Just got to move the tyres. Good job, buddy. Go down a bit more, that's it, close your jaw. That's it, good job. Here you go. Yeah. Close your jaw. Oh, nice grab, buddy. All three at once. Good job. Put your arm down. Oh, go 80. Lift your arm up, bud. Oh, smashing that, buddy. You're doing well. you could pick them up and move them back if you want. That's it. Need to turn your claw out a bit. Now open your jaw. That's it. Down, close your jaw. Yeah, good job. Bring your arm in a bit. Lower your arm. Yeah, nice. Turn the dial. And that's it for the claw one. All done and dusted. Another activity, Thunderbird Park, is you can come up here to this mine site, which is actually a registered mine here at the park, and you can fossick for thunder eggs, and then you can take them back to the stone cutting shop. They will cut them for you, or you can not have them cut. It's up to you. It's a small fee to get them cut depending on the size of thunder egg you find. But really cool. Families over there digging away. Pretty cool activity, so hopefully we can find some stuff, and at least golf ball size ones. But yeah, really cool weekend away with the fam. Another little adventure for the Adventure Wratts.
You want the bag, baby?
Can you help me get all of that in there? And I can start painting another bag. Here we go. Last lot. Hope for stuff. It's something good. Ooh. Ooh, they're nice. Hey, Mom.
Here we are with some of our cut rocks. Some smoky quartz in that one. And this one. That's just the other half of that one. Oop. Same here, some jasper through this. That's that reddy colour. And we got some smoky quartz on the back there. They look really cool once they're cut. We got this one cut, so we've got some more smoky jasper through here, some standard quartz here, but these little guys here, the tip of my finger, these perfect little circles, they're mini thunder eggs. How cool is that? After we got this rock cut. So they're the little, that is so cool. And that is the end of our mining and fossicking. So cool. Kids loved it. So as promised in the beginning of the video, I said I'd show you our cool little facilities for shower and toilets. So I'm heading into ensuite 6, as there's 6 of these, but come in, doesn't look much, just a tin shed, but you get in here, we've got nice modern hand basin, mirror, yeah I am. Nice little bench, hand wash, obviously toilet, nice little stool, seat or bench there. Got a shower out there. No roofs, you come in the shower and you can look straight up to the open sky. That's pretty cool. Nice big shower head. So you got the little one there. So yeah. The facilities are pretty modernised and updated. And you got a little bin I don't need. Little tissue paper toilet roll. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm about to have a shower, so I'll leave you be. But not bad.
And I've made it
Yep.
So I'm gonna have to hold it steady for you.
We finally picked the easier one.
Oh, yeah, we didn't.
They must put the zip line first because that's the scariest thing.
Holy
Wean
Jesus!
out people.
Oh! You got this! Mummy, look! You need to fill all of that. Diamond candy! Oh! Rebel, rebel! Okay, get ready. It's hard trying to push yourself off. It's easy when you're actually up. Whee! You're good. You got this now. You don't need as big of a push. But you still need a push. Oh, your feet wasn't on the ground. And pretty high. Look down, you may see some animals. Platform time. This is red. What's the
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. It's like
You don't have to mix it up. Yeah, whatever you mix it up.
thank you. Yeah, there was something a bit sick. It's just like very off. Yeah. It's more tiring. Like you realize. Yeah. It is really fun. I thought
The whole tree's wobbling.
I was like, oh, I can probably be dead.
The whole tree is
like,
wobbling. Holy Jesus, the log.
race balance. That's funny.
This isn't actually that bad.
No, if you balance it enough.
This is actually pretty nice.
This kid has 6 problems.
Although it sucks
Oh no.
by getting. Now I've got to get onto that log. I know what I can do. I made it.
This will keep you further
The
apart.
log is the hardest. Better you knowing than you don't knowing. At least we have.
Don't get too close because you throw me off otherwise.
It's so much more fun in the pictures than in the video.
Woo! Oh, this one's not bad.
This isn't as bad, although the ropes are pretty high. We're just bouncing along. Mum, go under us. Folly but jolly. It's pretty nice.
Hey guys, back again. Just arrived home from Thunderbird Park, and hopefully I'll have this video edited and up next couple of days. Hope you enjoyed it. The filming's not the best because I filmed some and the wife filmed some, and we were filming with our phones, so filming isn't perfect, but we do what we can. The kids enjoyed it. The adults enjoyed it. Wasn't a bad stay. You can have fires up there, which is cool. Each campsite comes with its fire pit, and then on booking, when you book your site, you can opt to get kindling and a bag of firewood from Thunderbird Park. They will supply it, which is pretty cool. Thought that was really good. So we had a fire at our campsite, so because we always like a fire when we go camping. And yeah, we did a couple of the activities. Kids loved it, and we show a few of those on the video. So hope you enjoy. Hope you like the video. Please share it if you feel free to do so. And again, from the I'll get it right one day. From the Adventure Wratts, we're out. Have a good one.